Bladder Shyness Overcoming Uncontrollable Shy Bladder. Find out about the program that cures. There are several different ways you can work to get over shy bladder syndrome. For those of you who do not know what this is, it's having trouble going to the bathroom in a public restroom, and it can be an extremely embarrassing and uncomfortable syndrome. As you can imagine, this is an uncomfortable situation in many different ways. First of all, is perhaps the embarrassment of taking longer in a stall than other people. There's nothing worse than having to wait in line for a stall in the bathroom, and it makes it even worse on the person with the shy bladder to know that everyone is waiting. Then there is the physical aspect of it, of having a full bladder that would like to be empty, and yet not being able to empty it. This can not only be uncomfortable, it can become downright painful. So it's important that a person with a shy bladder learn to relax in a public restroom so that they can void their bladder. One of the ways that they suggest that you can get over having a shy bladder, is use the bathroom for more than just going to the bathroom. In other words, go with your friends and wait for them, wash your hands frequently, check your appearance in a mirror, and just jet in and out of the bathroom. Then, when it comes time to go, you'll be a little bit more relaxed and be able to avoid your bladder. Other people with this problem have used acupressure, acupuncture, and even hypnosis. It seems that sometimes hypnosis works better than some of the other therapies. Then of course, there is actually counseling in order to discover why you have a shy bladder and why it is difficult to go in a public bathroom in the first place. But, there's good news to help you overcome your shy bladder syndrome. The paresthesia treatment system is a completely guaranteed, step-by-step system developed with professionals, designed to help you quickly learn to relax your body and mind and make urinating easy again. I highly recommend you check it out and sign up today. It's an amazing program.